Yes, I Samuel.
We talk football SA. Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0. My brother, your name, what can you tell me?
Oh, my name is Happy. I'm from Leparala. I'm working with the young men there.
Oh,
So, game here today, it was a must-win game, but we didn't do well.
yes.
So, but I have a little worry about today's match. So
Yes.
I don't know what more must evidence draw to prove himself that he can contribute, can play for the team.
Yes.
Because if you can check most of the games that we have played without evidence, we didn't do well.
Yes.
Then setting out the evidence, then we did well.
Yeah.
And even you can see that injury, the guy, Yambutuma.
Yes.
Then that sub, it make a very big difference in the pitch. But
Yeah,
that
the
one,
difference-
let's leave it for another day.
Yeah.
So now we have very, very big pressure because the league is now in our court. Then it's up to us that we can get it or not.
Yes.
The last thing that I can tell you, my brother, is that if we can win this league, it's
Yeah.
because we have good players,
Yes.
not because we have a technical coach.
Yes.
Because if you can see today, the ship was sinking. Then
Right,
we needed someone to rescue us.
Yes.
So we did some subs, but you can see they didn't work for us.
No, they didn't.
So this week he must work on Makopa.
Yeah.
He's the last man. He can take us to the promising land.
Yes.
It's our last game. It's our last match. It's our last trophy of the season.
Yes.
So we must work very hard on this week. We must make sure that we get this week because it's been a very, 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 very long years without this cup. You can ask this man, how old are you?
8.
Okay, unfortunately it's 8 years. This one, how old are you?
10 years.
How many?
10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
Who's 14 here?
No one. No one.
Like,
Yeah.
they are not even here. So we have 14 years without winning this cup. So we
Yes.
really need it. So we are hungry for it.
Yes.
So our coach, please just work on Marco only for this week. Give him a chance.
Still
See what he can do.
experimenting. Yeah.
Because now Harisa Taloganya or a combination of Nyaka, but you can see, everyone can see from Womuru. Perez need Makopa. With Makopa, we are doing something. So my
Yes.
brother, thank you.
No, thank you.
Remember.
So the young man didn't say anything. Did you want him to say anything?
Yeah, I can say anything from this game.
Yeah. What can you say about the game, young man?
It was good, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you
we,
repeat the
didn't,
voice?
we didn't expect much, but it was good, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is Pirates still taking the lead?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Tando. Tando.
Okay, Tando.
Tell them we're going to Bombela
Keep
next
going
week.
to, yeah.
I'm gonna go to Bombela next week. I hope they play good. And yeah. But my Durban City Bakasi win, ne?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Tell them my brother.